Welcome to our short video about the replacement of a 42-year-old Polartronic Universal with the latest model, the VariPol by Schmidt Haensch. Charité Berlin uses VariPol to ensure the quality of their personalized medicine. In the next few minutes, you will learn more about the reasons for this upgrade and the advantages that the VariPol offers. Our old Polartronic Universal has served faithfully for over 4 decades and has not required any major repairs or maintenance during its time in service. Nevertheless, the time has come to upgrade to a more modern solution. Technology has evolved, and Charité Berlin wants to make sure their laboratory instruments are up to date. The VariPol delivers unrivaled precision in measurement, paired with modularity, flexibility, and rapidity. State-of-the-art connectivity allows for seamless integration into your extended network of devices and permits monitoring your measuring results using our Aquasys 3 software on your phone or tablet. It is especially designed for pharmaceutic applications and therefore 21 CFR Part 11 ready, but it can be adapted to further uses. Schmidt Haensch is excited to replace a 42-year-old Polartronic Universal, which has operated reliably to this day, with the VariPol. This transition will help Charité continue to achieve excellence in medical research. Schmidt Haensch, excellence in precision measurement.